Hi, welcome to the course Linear Regression Models, Introduction to Linear Regression. Let me first introduce you about what is this course all about. The course is for those who want to enhance their skills for latest technologies, who want to understand how machine learning works, want to understand how statistics play a major role in machine learning, who are developers, IT managers, technical managers at all levels can take this course. The duration of the course is approximately 7 hours. Let me now discuss about the trainer. I am having around 17 years of experience in IT. I am providing trainings from the last 7 years in AI, machine learning, Python, R programming, blockchain, etc. We have divided the course in 5 major categories. One is basics of statistics, then getting started with R and R Studio, then introduction to machine learning, then data pre-processing, then linear regression model. These are the different subtopics of these. For basics of statistics, these are the different topics that we will cover in the session. These are the topics related to getting started with R and R Studio. These are the topics related to introduction to machine learning. These are the topics for data pre-processing. In any machine learning, it is must to do data pre-processing to cleanse the data and convert it in the shape that is acceptable by machine learning algorithms. So we have covered multiple topics for that. These are the different topics for linear regression models. Linear regression model is the most popular model for the machine learning algorithm. It can be used in variety of problems. We will take a single problem statement and then show you how to resolve that problem using machine learning linear regression model. I hope you will enjoy this session and thanks for joining us to take this session. Let's move further. Thank you.